Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will be presenting my paper about reimagining human interaction on children's literature, Transhumanism Perspective. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Isna. I'm coming from Muhammadiyah University of Surabaya. First, I want to tell all of you about the introduction. Children's literature is relevant in the context of changing human interaction due to technology because it can help introduce new concepts to children in a way that is accessible and understandable to them. As children are becoming more familiar with technology, it is important to consider how this affects their understanding of human interaction. By analyzing children's cyber literature, we can gain insight into how technology is changing the way children interact and how this may impact their behavior in the future. This can help us better understand and predict human interaction in the near future. Next, the purpose of a research study. First, is the purpose of the research study described in my slide is to reimagine human interaction in cyber literature, specifically in children's literature from a transhumanism perspective. And then the study aims to analyze two popular cyber literature in 2020. There are Baby Bus and I think it's only one, Baby Bus, and to identify new patterns and human interaction. The study also aims to predict future behavior and interaction in the context of transhumanism. Last, the research study seeks to contribute to the understanding of how technology is changing human interaction and how this impacts children's literature. In my paper, I use content analysis from methodology and transhumanism for the theory. First, I'm gonna talk about transhumanism theory. Transhumanism theory is a philosophical and cultural movement that advocates for the use of technology to enhance human abilities and transcend the limitation of the human body and mind. In the context of this research study, transhumanism theory is used as a framework to analyze how technology is changing human interaction and how this is reflected in children's literature. And then content analysis is a research method that involves systematically analyzing and interpreting the content of a text or a set of texts. In the context of this research study, content analysis is used to analyze one popular cyber literature in 2020. This is Baby Bus. The researchers analyze the text to identify new patterns and human interaction and to gain insight into how technology is changing the way children interact. And then the researchers use a coding scheme to categorize the content of the text and identify themes and patterns. The result of the content analysis are used to support the study's overall aim of reimagining human interaction in cyber literature from a transhumanism perspective. I only give one result. Two. I give you two results. The first is new pattern of interaction. From the picture, we will know that the study suggests that technology and transhumanism have influenced the patterns of human interaction in children's literature. The use of technology in these literature pieces has led to new forms of interaction between humans and machines, as well as between humans and other humans. We can see on picture like this one. We're gonna cut his hair, and the barber one is a robot. The study suggests that this new pattern of interaction reflect the changing nature of human interaction in the context of transhumanism. The study also suggests that these new patterns of interaction have the potential to shape future behavior and interaction in the near future. The implication of this research for children's literature. The first one, the study has several implications for children's literature. It suggests that children's literature needs to adapt to the changing nature of human interaction in the context of technology and transhumanism. This means that children's literature needs to incorporate new pattern of interaction between humans and machine, as well as between humans and other humans. Second, the study suggests that children's literature can play an important role in introducing children to new concepts and ideas related to technology and transhumanism. By using cyber literature as a learning medium, children can learn about the potential benefits and risks of technology and how it is changing the way we interact with each other and the world around us. Finally, the study suggests that children's literature can help shape future behavior and interaction by introducing children to new patterns of interaction and helping them develop the skills and knowledge needed to navigate the changing landscape of human interaction in the context of technology and transhumanism. Overall, the study highlights the importance of children's literature in shaping the future of human interaction and the role that technology and transhumanism will play in this process. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.